Route 22, north-south connector, inbound. 22 starts at the Green Road parking ride from the stand here. Going to pull forward. Make a right turn to exit out of the parking lot. At Green Road at the stop sign, we will make a right turn. Stop approaching. Here at the Greenbacks of Greenbrier, very popular destination. Stop approaching. The next corner is Hubbard. We're going to make a right turn onto Hubbard. Turn, stop immediately after the turn. Stop approaching. Stop approaching at the stop sign. Stop approaching. There are many shared bus stops with the University of Michigan bus line here on North Campus. As we approach Huron Parkway, reminded to adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules, especially on the Central Campus. Whenever there is a pedestrian in the crosswalk, you must yield the right of way. Stop approaching. There is a stop approaching at the stop sign. From this point, Hubbard becomes Hayward. Just want to continue on. Stop approaching. At the stop sign, we're going to make a left turn onto Beale. Point of reference is the architectural structure to the right. You want to, once you see that, you know that you're going to make a turn. Stop approaching. We're going to keep straight through the stop sign. It is here where Bill becomes Monostil. Stop approaching to the right on the cutout. Next stop is for Pier Point Commons. Stop approaching a very popular destination. This is a tying point. Gonna continue straight through the stop sign. No more stops on Bonestil. Going to continue around till we reach Fuller Road, where we'll be making our left turn. Making our left turn at the light at Fuller Road. Making our left onto Fuller Road. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We will be servicing the VA driveway for the sake of this video. This is for the days, Monday through Friday. However, on weekends, you do not service it. If you're doing a night or weekend piece, you would be getting over in the left lane, making a left turn onto Glacier Way at this time. If you're doing a daytime piece, you would make your right turn here into VA Medical Court. Please see your manifest and your run sheet for the appropriate times. Service to stop here inside of VA. Got to make the horseshoe around. That is our only stop here at the VA main entrance. As we exit back out, we're going to continue across the light, across Fuller, onto Glacier Way. Crossing Fuller Road onto Glacier Way. This is a stretch that's shared with the number 3 route. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Please exercise extreme care and caution when going down this decline, especially in inclement weather. We're approaching Huron Parkway. We're going to make a right turn. Stop approaching. Our next stop was service Huron High School. This is a tying point, just beyond a crosswalk here. Stop approaching. Continuing on Huron Parkway. We will stay on Huron Parkway until we get to Washington. There will be a couple of long stretches where there are no stops. Approaching Fuller Road again. Passing Fuller Road. There's a stop approaching. Stop approaching. Continuing on Huron Parkway. Stop approaching. One more stop, which services the Whole Foods Center, and after you've serviced that stop, you want to get over to the left-hand lane as soon as you can. Service the stop here. You want to get over to the left. You're gonna make your left turn on Washington. There are two left turn lanes. You want to make sure you remain to the right of the two left turn lanes. Making our left onto Washington. There's a stop to service. We will share the route with the number 4 and the number 7 for a little ways until we get to Glencoe Hills. We're approaching Pittsfield. Our next stop is our Ann Arbor stop, our Arborland stop. This is a tying point right here. From here, there are no more stops until after you have crossed Carpenter Road. No serviceable stops. You're going to pass under Michigan 23. The next stop is until after you've passed Carpenter Road by the Kentucky Fried Chicken. You want to stay in this center lane, as the right lane is for a right turn lane onto Carpenter Road. After you have serviced that stop, you want to get over in the left lane as quickly as you can. We're going to make our turn into the Glencoe Hills. Court here. When you get to Glencoe Hills Drive, the Glencoe Hills housing property to the left here, you're going to make a left turn, and immediately after the turn there is a stop. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the stop sign, we want to make a left turn. This is Clark Road. Left onto Clark. There are no serviceable stops on this side of Clark. At the light is Hogback. We're gonna make our left turn at Hogback. Hogback turns into Carpenter Road. Stop approaching. Make certain that you are in the center lane as you approach Washtenaw.